I wish I would have known how long some of the side effects would last. Even though you are made aware of the potential side effects, I think sometimes it's hard to wrap your mind around that some of them can come really later on after treatment. If I would have known that, I think I would have been better mentally prepared for what to expect after. I would have reported them sooner because I wasn't correlating between those side effects and symptoms that I was seeing. I wasn't relating that to radiation treatment.
The thing is that after a while, the side effects do kick in. That's the part that people don't see. Let people know how you're feeling. I think that's a very important thing to do.
I wish I was aware of the occupational therapists that are available to some of the breast cancer patients who are experiencing side effects such as edema. I got plugged into that group a lot later on, and I think I would have benefited from seeing them a lot sooner.
I guess the one thing that was also a little bit of a surprise to me is that the treatment itself, there was no sensation whatsoever. There was no burning, there was no feeling whatsoever. It was benign as could be. And so it was actually a very easy treatment to go through.
The hair loss is also something that I wish I would have been aware of. Of course, I went through chemo, so I lost the hair on my head, and then that grew back, but I wasn't aware that the hair under my arm would never grow back. I mean, it's a win, but I wasn't aware that that would be like a long-term thing that it just wouldn't come back. Having darker skin meant that my reaction resulted in having even darker skin in that area. And there's not really a lot of options out there to lighten your skin afterwards. So again, cosmetic changes, but when you are going through something that impacts the outside of your body, you want to feel your best. And I also think it's important to promote better the peer support that's available within the department. It's really important for you to be able to talk to other people, and especially people who kind of look like you or your age group. It's important to be able to have that support. It's so many things that you are unaware of, and I don't think anybody can give you like the best answer. Each person goes through their own experience. So I would tell any patient, if you see others in the waiting room, make friends. You will see each other every single day. Just try to see if you can help one another, share whatever tips you learn, things that make it easier for you.
To me, the most important thing in terms of my family was communication. Letting them know how I was feeling, what my concerns were, what my worries were, how I was feeling, and how quickly I was changing the way that I felt. Likewise, they were very good about telling me how they were responding to my illness. So communication, I think, is the most important thing for family, friends, close people, people that are close to you, and caregivers.
So when you are scheduling your treatment appointment, you will be asked what time of day you prefer your treatments to be scheduled. And so I picked to have my treatment scheduled in the morning. And so that allowed me to have flexibility throughout the rest of my day. So if I was able to still work, then I can go to work after treatment, allowed me to still do normal activities throughout the day. So I would say pick a time that's best for you and your lifestyle, and then go from there. But then also be kind to yourself and be mindful that if you are not up to it or if you're feeling tired, then to take some time off and rest.
When we're doing your treatment, we have Spotify radio in all of our treatment rooms. You're welcome to choose a playlist or an artist, genre, or any song you like.
Don't hesitate to ask for your choice of music. And I loved it. I didn't want my treatments to end because they were playing some really good music. And you get to ask for what you want to hear. And they have a pretty wide and good selection. So anybody going into treatment there should take advantage of it.